Okay, dear students, here I am discussing question number 3 of your NCERT book, Standard 12 Math. Okay, on the concept of increasing, decreasing function, an important concept of application of derivative. And in this question, I am discussing question number 3 of exercise 6.2, question number 3. And in this question, we have to, what is the question given? Let's see. So that the function given by fx is equal to sin x is strictly increasing in the interval 0 to pi by 2. We have to prove. So that the function given by fx is equal to sin x is, number 1, we have to prove, is strictly increasing. The function is strictly increasing in the interval, in the open interval 0 to pi by 2. Again, second point, you have to prove that the function f is strictly decreasing in the interval pi by 2 to pi, in the open interval pi by 2 to pi. Understand, in the point C, we have to show that the function f is neither increasing nor decreasing in the interval 0 to pi. Let's see now. Let us draw the interval. Here you see, and this is 0. Understand? And 0 to pi by 2. Understand or not? And this is pi. This is pi. So you see, in 0 to pi by 2, the function is strictly increasing. And in pi by 2 to pi, the function is strictly decreasing. We have to prove that. Okay, let's see. Now student, the function is given fx is equal to fx given sin x. Understand or not? So that implies, find the derivative of fx. For increasing and decreasing function, we have to find the derivative of the given function. So the given function is fx is sin x. So f dash x is equal to cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Understand or not? Okay. And number A, in the interval when x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, we know that. What do you know? 0 to pi by 2. Here the domain of the function lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, you know the, okay, cos x is positive. So cos x is greater than 0 in the first quadrant. Understand? That implies f dash x is greater than 0. Hence, f is strictly increasing. Okay, in the interval, in open interval 0 to pi upon 2. Right? Understand? Let us come to the second point. Let us come to the second point. And the second point is that here fx is equal to, you have to find out second point. We have to prove that what? The function is strictly decreasing in the interval pi by 2 to pi when the domain of the function lies in the interval, open interval pi by 2 to pi. It means which quadrant? Pi by 2 pi, which quadrant? Here see 0 to pi by 2, first quadrant. And pi by 2 pi, which quadrant? Second quadrant. And in second quadrant, belongs to second quadrant, this value belongs to second quadrant. In second quadrant, you know the cos x is less than 0, negative, yes or no? Yes or no? So that implies f dash x is less than 0. Hence, f is strictly what? Strictly, yes, in strictly decreasing. Decreasing, na? Yes, decreasing. Because you know, if the derivative function less than 0, then the f is strictly decreasing in the interval. Yes, in the interval pi, the second interval pi by 2 pi. Understand? Is it clear? Okay. So in the third cases, we have to write that. See, in the function, we see that the function is increasing in the interval 0 to pi by 2. And the function is strictly decreasing in the interval. This function is strictly increasing in the interval 0 to pi by 2. And the function is strictly decreasing in the interval pi by 2 to pi. So the function is neither increasing nor decreasing in the interval 0 to pi, because the function 0 to pi, here you see the interval 0 to pi means what? The combination of what? 0 to pi upon 2 union pi by 2 to pi. So in the first interval 0 to pi by 2 we saw the function is strictly increasing. In the second interval we saw pi by 2 to pi, the function is strictly decreasing. Yes or no? As a result, the function is neither increasing nor decreasing in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Understand? Thus we can write, hence f is neither increasing nor what? Decreasing in the interval 0 to pi. In the interval 0 to pi. Okay? Understand? Is it clear, all of you? Okay, thank you. See you for the another class here. Okay, till then, bye.